CleanScreen, the rapid fit screening solution that puts up an instant barrier to dust, sealing off work areas quickly to stop dust spreading, protecting people on site and making it quicker and easier to clean up. Installation is easy, just follow these simple instructions. Screw the head to the pole anti-clockwise, leaving some thread showing. Loosen the ball at the base until you can see some thread, then attach the base plates, listening out for the click. Unlock the head plate by sliding the grey clip to one side. Trap the polythene sheet under the head plate and slide the grey clip back to the locked position. Position the pole and extend it up to a maximum of 3 or 6 meters using one or both sections of the pole. Lock it in place by twisting anti-clockwise. Repeat this process to create the required screen. Secure the polythene by loosening each pole, turning anti-clockwise. Keep the top of the pole against the ceiling and slide the polythene sheet under the base plate and retighten it. Repeat with all poles. Trim and secure the polythene at floor level with tape. To create a totally secure, gap and dust-free seal, add Ultimate Seal. Screw the red plate to the twist lock pole and secure the rail onto the grip using the arrow marker. Tuck the polythene sheeting under the foot of the twist lock pole, then extend the pole to the ceiling, securing it by twisting anti-clockwise. To add a resealable access point, use Quick Door. Peel off the backing tape and stick the adhesive zip to your polythene screen at the required height, ensuring the zip pull is at the bottom. Unzip both strips and carefully cut the polythene. Fix both hooks above the middle of the doorway, roll it up and secure your door. That's it, a completely dust-free screen that ensures mess cannot escape. CleanScreen, the rapid fit screening solution.